Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to shut down a laptop that is frozen. This will be an easy tutorial for unfreezing a computer. If you're using a laptop and it is frozen and you need to shut it down, then this is a way to do it. Now keep in mind that when you do this, it's going to shut down and it's going to allow you to restart it, but you're going to lose any unsaved data that you were working on the computer. So keep that in mind. But this is sort of a last resort. If it's completely frozen and nothing else works, this will usually help you get to the next step towards solving the problem. What you want to do is look for the power button. Okay, there's going to be a physical power button that powers on the laptop. It's going to be the button that you push when you want to turn the laptop on. When you find that button, in this case it's over here, sort of flashing on and off. When you find that button, you're going to press and hold it down. So you want to press the button and hold it down for a few seconds. And eventually the screen will turn off and the laptop will power off. Then you can release the button. So you've now turned off your laptop. I would recommend that you give it about 30 seconds to remain off so that it can sort of power cycle and sort of, start fresh. And then once you've given it 30 seconds, push that power button again and turn the laptop back on. And what that usually does is that usually unfreezes the laptop. Now keep in mind, like I said before, you're going to most likely lose any unsaved data. I'm going to say you're pretty much certainly going to lose any unsaved data on the laptop. So this is a last resort. It'll allow you to restart the laptop and unfreeze the laptop, but you're going to be starting fresh from a fresh screen. So anything that you're working on that isn't saved is pretty much going to be gone, for the most part. I can't speak to every single situation, but you're restarting the laptop, so any unsaved work is probably not going to reappear. So that's it. That is how to unfreeze a laptop that is frozen. Very, very easy way to do it. Find the power button, press and hold it down until the laptop turns off. Give it about 30 seconds, and then you want to push the power button again to turn the laptop back on. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.